Hi guys, it's nighttime and I am going to study. I have so many things to do. I'm like so stressed out. But that's okay. At least we have something to be stressed about, right? But yeah. Ay, hindi ko type. I mean, okay siya. Hoy, alo. STEM major. Alam mo yung kapatid niya? Di ba STEM ka din? STEM ng puno. Gusto mo yung sabit kita sa STEM? Hi guys. We go. Kanya ba? Si anong kapatid? Tinanggal na siya sa grupo, babe. Masyado ka nang deluded. Interview. That's what you should not do. They have photos in it. Ow, it's so hot. Okay.
First, ano di ba 10:50 nag-end ang first block?
Gusto mo hindi ko isend to?
Oh, sige, sige. Okay lang.
Anong kind of...
We're gonna chill and study.
Study, ha? Don't talk to me. You're gonna distract me.
A few moments later.
Who? Who's that?
Your haters.
Oh, okay. Oh, is that Mingyu? I knew it. I know my man when I see one. Very delusional.
We have the same vibe.
Wait, it doesn't. Okay. Did it work? Okay lang yun. Ang delusional. Ano yung mga ginagawa? Guys, so we're going to win and we're gonna go shopping.
Hey guys, I love this guy. No, don't add that.
This guy or this
guy.
Oh, bag. To check. Hi guys, we're at Lamp now. Hi guys, we're now at the area of Italy. Look at the baby. Bunny. Silka. Hi guys, look at this one. Stop! So cute. I approve. I approve. I approve. Uy, lagot ka, property damage yan. Ikaw naman eh. Property damage yan. I love
This is
Rina
you.
Kuma.
This is me.
Yeah.
No, this is you. This is me. This is Zara.
What? Misha! I'm gonna cry. Mifi's right in front of
Saan?
you. In front of you. This is so cute. Can I open this? I don't know. But I'm opening it anyway. Okay, wait. I want to see the middle. Why does it keep going on the wrong places? Okay, you know what? I'll give up. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I would buy this for my children. We going back. We're going to Think A now. Look what I found, guys. Zaira. This is si Pat. Cross-cultural. Get the air too. Whoop! It's so scary. One, two, three, go. Why are you doing?
You have another one.
Hindi, dalawa to. Ako dapat dalawa.
Ganito kasi. Ganda. Sige, sige, sige.
A few moments later.
Doon no, meron doon downstairs. We're on the way home.
I can see that.
Hi guys. So I'm getting ready for the formal tonight. And yes. I don't know if you can see me. I don't know what they're doing.
Kailangan i-consume natin yung ano. Ano tayo, yogurt? Ay, yogurt. Ah.
Matamis? Oh. So sunny. So sunny outside. Over here, Ma. Where are you going? Over there.
Hindi, ang alam ko parang dito tayo nag-park.
Alam ko dito tayo, oh. Hi guys. So, we just got lost. And now we found the car.
Lang din tayo. Ako ang supplemental. Lang sa membership.
Ito na yung maganda.
Ang soup nila.
Sarap. Mainit eh.
Sauce ako.
hot sauce ito.
Sarap lang kuha ng pancit ko.
Okay.
Naku, dala ko sa ating food.
What's this?
Ato, pwede mo ilagay
Tapa,
dito.
hindi na.
Siya ang gusto babae.